Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Friday, you guys. Today is Friday and right now it's 9:42. I just now starting my shift and I have been getting a couple of orders, but they are very bad orders. So I'm waiting for a good order so we can start our day, can start our shift. I have the whole entire day to work today. Oh, I just received an order. I seen a notification, so let me go check it out. I just received $11 for 5.2 miles. It's a curbside order, but I did not take it, y'all. I did not take it. So let's sit here and wait for another order. I just received my first order, $21, and it's going 7.9 miles, and it's 3 customer drop off. So our pickup time is 10 o'clock, and right now it's 9:48. So I cannot wait to start my shift. You guys, I'm so ready for today. I can't wait to make that $200. Can we make that $200 today? Yo, I miss making $200, yeah. Yo, it's 10 o'clock and I just started my order, and look at this. They still shopping my order and I don't feel like I have to wait because I don't know when they're gonna finish shopping for this order. I don't know when they're gonna bring this order. It's like I'm about to waste time, so I'm about to cancel it, y'all. What do you think? I'm about to cancel it right now. Oh, they just canceled my order, y'all. Look at this notification. The trip was canceled. They just canceled it. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Anyway, I was about to cancel it anyway. After like 2 minutes, I just received another order, $14. It's going 4 miles. And for 2 customer drop off. So I took that order, y'all. Let's see how is this one gonna go. Hello, 2568. Okay. All right, yeah, she's done. So this is the first one and that's the second one. So let's go. And our first drop off is only 7 minutes, so let's go. Go deliver it. 902, that's 904. Maybe it's this one here. 902. There's groceries in the cart. You guys, let me update you where I am, y'all. Oh my gosh. You guys, as I told you before, I applied on Veho delivery. So this morning, you guys, I checked on Veho and I saw a very, very good offer. It was $124 for 4 hours. So I am here, you guys, and I have 33 packages to deliver. Over there and some over there and some at the back. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna tell you later. I'm gonna tell you everything once I'm done with this, guys. Let's go deliver. Yo, I'm sorry. I didn't show you anything about Veho, me dropping off these packages, and I am going to drop my last drop off. I didn't record it because this is my first day, so I needed to see how it's going to be, like how long it's gonna take me. Like I did not wanna waste time recording when it's my first day. But so far so good, y'all. Let's go drop this last package, and it's only 3 minutes away from here, so let's go. Yo, I'm done with Veho. Oh my god, 33 packages, y'all. 33 packages. I am done with it. Will I do it again? Yes, if the paying is good. So now I have another app that I can be multi-apping with Spark and Veho. Yo, so it's 3 right now. It's 3, so I'm about to turn on Spark again so I can spark, because I still have time to spark. Oh my god. All right, y'all. All right. I just received a shopping order on Spark, $15 for 2 miles, and I'm going to shop only 4 items. So let's go in and shop this order. Going to add 3, section 2. This one, they need 2 of this. Scan it. Same section, they need 2 of this. Scan it. All right, we're done. Let's go check out. $27.15. Thanks here. Go and deliver. Hello. Thank you. Just received another order, you guys. $32. It's 2 drop off, and it's going 10 miles. It's going 10 miles, you guys. I'm tired for some reason, and it's too hot. I think we're in 80s right now. Let me open the other windows. Woo! So let me wait for them to bring it out. Yo, both of my orders, they're very big orders. So it's only 2 orders, but they're huge order. So let's go drop for the first customer. I'm here for the first drop off. Big order. All right, let's go. All right. Oh, I am done. Let's go drop our second one. All right, I'm here. This apartment has 2 entrances. This one and that one. So let me go over here first without nothing because it's a big order to check if it's this way. I'm going to 1D. This is 1E. I don't think it's this way. I think it's on the other side. Oh, it's here. 1D. Now let's go grab our orders. This is it here. It's a lot. With a passcode. Hello.
Hi.
What's the passcode?
4633.
Okay. I just received $29 for 10 mayos, you guys. And I have to shop for 15 items. Hello.
Hey, doing okay?
Yes, how about you?
Doing well, thank you, man.
That's good. Yo, I just dropped my last order and I just received the tip. $10 tip. Alright, so let's go back home. I'm done for the day, y'all. I am done. I'm done. You guys, let me tell you more about Veho. The reason why I loved it, y'all, you know how they gave me like 33 packages, y'all. Before you take those packages, you will have to have marker. So you're gonna scan one package and they're gonna tell you a number in your phone, and that number you're gonna write it on your package. That's how, like, when it's time to deliver, we're gonna deliver in order. If you write 1, that's gonna be like number 1, like that's gonna be the first order that you're going to deliver. If you write 2, that's gonna be your second delivery. 3, your third delivery. I love that. Like, you don't waste no time. You don't waste no time. So stay tuned for my next video, my next Veho video, because I'm gonna try my best, y'all, to record every little thing so I can show y'all. Stay tuned, and I apologize for not showing nothing what I'm doing, what I did. I apologize, but in my next Veho video, y'all, I'm gonna show you step by step. But go ahead and download the app, y'all. Go ahead and download the app in your phone, Veho, because it's a very good app. It's a very good app. It's more like Amazon Flex, but I don't like Amazon Flex. I love Veho. Veho is my app. Anyway, you guys, today I worked almost 8 hours. And my total is 214. Yeah! 214, y'all. 214. I am thankful. Right now, I'm on my way going home. Almost. I have like 1 minute to get home. So if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.